The story of the Indian red mango. Once, a orchidist couple from Madhya Pradesh were traveling towards Chennai to buy saplings to be sowed and grown in their orchard. On their way, they had a happy flight. It was during this time a beautiful luck sponsored them. It knocked their doors. A man, one of the traveler with them in that train, offered them a sapling, saying these are rare saplings of mangoes. So he offered them two plants, like very small two plants or two sapling like stuff, asking them to grow it. Then they returned to Madhya Pradesh after buying the saplings they needed, and they started growing the plant and they took care of it very well. And the man even named the sapling on behalf of his mother Damini. It's after the growth of the plant and the formation of the fruits, then they found that it is a mango, that is Japan's miyazaki mangoes, which is a rare breed in India. These are sold at exorbitant prices, fetching higher rates than even gold and silver jewelry in India. And now the plant has fetched them 7 mangoes. Per mango goes for about 2 lakhs in the market. So these couples have been now blessed with great fortune, because of which many industrialists and people are reaching them to buy their fruit from them so that they could make the profit. But the couple is so intelligent enough, denying all the proposals they got. They are about to fulfill their own wish by selling the mangoes by themselves. So they are providing better protection for the mangoes by keeping 4 guards along with dogs to secure the mangoes. Only 7 mangoes are being highly protected this way. The super blessed couples are Rani and Sankalp Parihar, who owns the Parihar Orchid Farm. So this is the story of the red Japan Miyazaki mangoes. It's also believed that these mangoes are so good for eyes. They possess such folic acids and antioxidants needed for eye power of a human.